A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. When the Bible says what God has put together, let not man pull asunder. You ever stop to think about what that really mean? Why you think about it? And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop a comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And if you know, click the subscribe button yet, go and go do it now, and the notification bell too, to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on. Right, yes, so. Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Mark chapter 10 from verse 1 to verse 12. After Jesus left where him did there, him go past River Jordan and go in the Judea area. Enough people come to him again, and like him always do, him teach them. Some Pharisee did want to test him. So them come to him and ask him, say, the law give no man the right to broke up with him wife. Jesus asked them, say, what Moses tell you no to do? Them answer say, Moses allow the man them for write one paper give them wife for sure say them no married no more. But Jesus said to them, say, Moses allow no for do that cause you no have no heart. But from God make the world, he make man and woman. And that make one man for left him father and mother, join up with him wife, and the two of them we turn one somebody. So them are not two again, them turn one. So if God make one man and him wife one, nobody no fi split them up. When them go back in at the house, Jesus follow them, ask him about what him did say. So him tell them, say, if nobody broke up with them wife and go married somebody else, him do wrong against him wife. Him come in just like somebody where give him wife born. And if the wife broke up with her husband and married somebody else, a born she a give her husband. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.